Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are most welcome to my channel Tech. So friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you change the storage size of your recycle bin in Windows 10. So first of all, you have to go on the recycle bin and right click on that, then afterward click properties. Now you can see there is option of custom size. You have to select the custom size. As you know, 1 MB is equal to 1024 GB. Sorry, 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. So you have to select the appropriate megabyte for your recycle bin, and you can select that MB storage for your PC. So this was the process. You just need to write it down over here, then afterward you have to click on apply, then okay. This was the thing, you just need to apply. So hope this video help you out. If this video help you out, then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.